Hey, hey everyone.
Hello, guys. So we are very close to finish our Kickstarter campaign. Oh my god, so amazing feeling. Oh my god, it's like 9 a.m. here. We didn't sleep all night and just sitting in the, oh my god, working on demo and yeah, like refreshing the page of Kickstarter. Guys, you're amazing, so amazing. Yeah. And oh my god, let's meet the final together and chat a little bit. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just, oh my god.
Yeah, it's amazing. Like from the bottom of our hearts, thank you everyone for supporting us and making our dream come
Yes.
true. This is just amazing. We have just reached the stretch goal that we really wanted to reach, the real-time combat, and I think many of you will love this feature. So our game will have both real-time combat and the turn-based combat systems. And also we reached the new best friends, the pet stretch goal, where pets will have more advanced mechanics in battles, in exploration, and also more pet variety. And yeah, it's like incredible. And now we are in our last 27 minutes. We can't even believe it has been 30 days already, 33 days already. It's
Yeah,
a journey.
it's a long time. Yeah, it was really long journey. Actually, we sleep about 48 hours in these months, I think. Yeah, it was incredible experience. Yeah, and we're so happy that you joined our Discord and you're amazing. Just yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it might seem to you like a simple thing, but your comments and encouragements really mean a lot to us.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we have been like developing this game for more than 3 years already, and especially like with last year with isolation and all that, it's been hard, like getting focused and getting locked down, and now having a community who liked our game and is positive and is expecting it. It's like amazing feeling. It has like rejuvenated us. We are ready to take on this challenge to create an amazing game, and yeah, it's just amazing. And thank you.
So we are on
26 minutes to go.
86. Yeah. Oh my god, it's amazing. Sandro will finally sleep.
Yeah, we miss sleep very much.
Yeah, it's amazing. So maybe you will tell about a demo update and when we will have it, and yeah, people are interested and they are, I think, a little bit confused. So let's speak about it and clarify this.
We have been working non-stop, whole months basically, and especially the last week to get you demo as soon as possible. And I think we're very close. We'll need a little time to rest because we have not slept like whole day, more than 24 hours. But after we get some sleep, we'll get back to it and we'll get you demo as soon as possible. It's almost ready, but we have just last few issues that pop up here and there. We're testing the demo all the time, fixing the issues, testing again, fixing the issues, and yeah, it's very close. You'll be able to play in the demo the first day of the prologue chapter. You'll encounter some companions, some...
Maybe you will tell about some features they will see in the demo and they will not see in the demo. Yeah.
You'll be able to see the combat, you'll be able to see exploration, crafting, companions, some of the companions you will meet in this game. We have hunting, I think, we have hunting, trapping gameplay, and then when the full prologue is released, you'll be able also to play the like a mini siege gameplay and mini version of the building gameplay, because the prologue takes part in like not in the same place as the main campaign will take place. yeah, you'll meet Nuria, you'll meet Neem, some of the characters that we spoke about. Yeah, I think you'll love the demo. We have some yeah, and then how it will go is that in April, somewhere like in the middle of the April or beginning of the April, we plan to release the full prologue chapter, which has a 3 in-game days of the gameplay. And as you know, we have like each of our we have like special story mechanic where each day is like a story chapter. Sorry, I have not slept a lot, and yeah, my tongue is getting tired. Yeah, and so you'll be able to play 3 days of the gameplay, and you'll be able to experience the consequences of your choices. And prologue kind of serves as an introductory tutorial level for you to understand the game, to know what's at stake during choices, during yeah, and the consequences that follow. And then around in summer we'll release the first 3 days of the main campaign. And basically what we want to do is that when we release each piece of content, each piece of story, we want to work with you, understand what you like, what you don't like, update the game based on your feedback. And we really want to use these maps to lay down like the final ground for how the game should play, how what features work, what features doesn't work. And with your help and with your feedback, we want to kind of shape the game to be like something that you will love to play for years to come. Let me catch up with comments. Yeah, we agree. Like Mr.
Do we have comments?
Said, yeah, that it's better to have well-made demo than a rushed demo. And
yes.
We'll try to get some sleep after this. Yeah, it's amazing. Like, thank you so much for your support and like
for the understanding. Yeah,
that you understand the process. It's like amazing because we're not used to it that much. We're like pressure. We have to release it, and then when you are showing that care for our well-being, and yeah, it's amazing. Like it may be a simple thing to you, but yeah, it means the world to us.
Maybe you will tell about like combat systems, like how they will live together, and will be players able to like choose between them, or like when they will be able to choose it.
So when we unlocked the real-time combat, this kind of adds new interesting mechanics to our game, where you'll be able to select, do you want to play a turn-based game or a real-time with pause game, so the combat happens in real time, and then when you want or you feel overwhelmed with your tactics, you can hit space button, or like on consoles, one of the buttons, and then the game pauses and it lets you overview the battlefield, give commands to your allies, and then continue with the gameplay. So we have been asked on the comments that will you be able to choose between them at the beginning of the game or later. Our first approach is that you'll be selecting them at the beginning of the game, because we don't know how much impact yet it will have on level design. We maybe have to change the map layout in some cases and load this map or that map based on what combat mode you choose. But if they prove to be like compatible and similar, then we'll probably incorporate some kind of system where you can play, you can switch between the combat modes, and they are more like a hybrid where you can play this way or that way and switch more organically. But we'll have to see about that.
Nice. And what about pets? My most favorite feature in the game.
Oh yeah, it's awesome. Like we have unlocked the pets feature, like because we had a lot of interest in pets, and like all our designer pet rewards have been sold, and it's awesome. We have met many of your pets, and can't wait to get modeling on them. It's like huge with animals. And so right now each pet will have more advanced mechanics, like it will help you, your pet will help you in hunting, in exploration. For example, like we don't like to have much hand-holding in the game, so we want to have more immersion, like rather than UI like telling you at the top that you should do this or that, we want to transition this kind of mechanics into more immersive mechanics where you'll be able to like use a skill and your pet will guide you to like your quest objective if you need to But our game is kind of built more like old school games were built, where you're able to explore the whole world, and you don't really need minimap, or you don't really need quest marker or quest objectives like that, because they kind of, there are included descriptions of where you must go and what you must do. So we want to kind of have this ability for you to play completely ignoring like any hand-holding mechanics and stuff like that.
Yeah, I think the first days of the development, we decided to not have any like mini-map in the game, and level design the whole world such that you don't be missed where to go and what to do. So yeah, I hope we made it, and yeah, we will see.
Yeah, and it's also a constant process. Like this is why we want to have the game available to you as soon as we can, as soon as we are ready. Because if something is confusing, we'll take a look at it, improve it, maybe add more unique elements so it's more understandable. And yeah, if like it's not our we're not gonna sacrifice good gameplay or good experience like on any idea or like conviction. Games and everything has to prove itself with you. You should be able to enjoy this game. So if like we need to add the minimap, we'll add the minimap, but like we want to try maybe to have like more, because our world is kind of like, our idea is that we want to show you the world as it would be seen from the eyes of ancient humans who don't know much about the world and who don't understand like how the how everything works in the world, and you as a player won't be able to have this knowledge and understanding as well. So you'll need to discover what kind of world it is, what kind of rules it has, what kind of physics and everything like inside the world exists. So we want to, and the ability for us to hide from you the main map is kind of like increases this feeling of unknown, of exploring the unknown, of having to discover by yourself. And but we also have one of the characters is kind of like the first cartographer that tried to map the areas of the environment. So what we thought we'd use was that first you explore this unknown map that's completely uncharted for you, and then with this help of this companion you'll be able to chart special areas. So once you have kind of explored it on your own, to have the convenience of something like a map or a mini map, you'll use this like immersive map that you created with this character. We got only 15 minutes left. It's crazy, like
15 minutes. Yeah.
Can't even process that 30 days so fast.
And people are still coming.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It's interesting if we can get past 1,000. It will be like interesting.
Yeah. Milestone of life. Oh my god, 15 minutes left.
Yeah, with the help of the this character, this cartographer character, you'll be able to get him to specific locations, and then he will teach you how to use some of the features, some of the skills, and then you need to like find high places and from there chart the map. Like we're still experimenting with the mechanics, but it's basically that you will need to unlock special spots, and from there he will draw the part of the map, and that will become available to you.
Yay! And what about our future plans?
How do you mean that?
Sorry?
How do you mean? Like what feature?
For the development of the IP, our ideas about series and so on. Yeah. Tell about it.
So, how we imagined like the whole but universe going is that the Thane tribe, the Thane nation, is a nation that you follow through history. So what we want to do is we want to remember what choices you make in this game, in your save file, and then the next games, like some time will pass, and this nation, your Thane nation, will advance in geography, in technology, in the social development and stuff like that, and the choices in your previous games, we want them to become the lore of your new game. For example, like let's take a simplistic example that in the first game you were really cruel and tyrannical warlord, and maybe in like the game 5 your fame grew first into like a legend and a myth, and then you become like a god of, for the people you become almost like a god of tyranny and god of evil. And if you were a fair person and like judged everything fairly, then you would be like, your character's name would be remembered as a god of justice or stuff like that. And so we also plan to have different explore this world into different media. We actually when we started the game, we tried out some stuff, like we wrote animated series script, we wrote the like kind of visual novel and RPG kind of mix as well, like small game. Recently I shared it in our Discord, like example of it. So yeah, we definitely want to have like different ways to tell the stories and them all to come together, and eventually for you to have like a world where you helped shape the nation over history, and you explored like how human history might have developed, and like asked all these questions, and then you'll have kind of like a lore of the game that's based on your actions, like and yeah, maybe even like in a future game you're an archaeologist who comes back to the territory of the first game and you unearth something that you missed in the you were not able to understand in the first game. And yeah, so it's kind of like we want to play with human history and stuff like that in this game.
Yeah, as soon as our universe is like alternative prehistoric era and we are not gonna follow like real events, so we are free to like develop our universe fluidly and maybe change some things and add a little bit interesting twists, and like we have freedom in this direction.
Let's read some comments. Do you know how many character save files we get to have to port into new games? Or I think like your latest save would be like your latest save would import into your the DLC, and then from DLC to the next DLC, and then to the new game. Or if you skipped like DLC and didn't play, then it would just import into like the next game. But at some point we maybe want to add a mechanic where you'll be able to just upload everything on a server and download it anywhere and have that kind of functionality. But for now we are just making sure that that information is in the save file and we are able to get it back later. Do we have Easter eggs? Yeah, we have a lot of Easter eggs. We'll have a lot of Easter eggs. Actually, one of the first community reward was designing Easter eggs, and we have a live stream where we designed some of the Easter eggs, and they will make it into the game. Can you like send the link if we still have it on YouTube, like the video, so I can share it with people?
Yeah, sure, I will. Okay, let me quickly find it.
Oh, and so we confirmed the game on like PC, on Switch, and for PlayStation and Xbox we are talking with some publishers. Like we got a lot of publisher interest on to port the game on consoles.
Actually a lot.
Yeah, we have been in a lot of meetings last week. So we'll kind of see. We have to do like our due process to make sure that we select the good ones, and that like, because we are the responsible for your experience anyway, like, so your port must be good, so we have to do a good vetting of them. And but and also we have been offered by Indiegogo to transition our Kickstarter campaign into in-demand campaign on Indiegogo. So we'll also try to kind of launch that and unlock more stretch goals that will be available for you and everyone in the game. So yeah, we're definitely trying to get the game on as many platforms as we can, and hopefully that will become a reality.
I just dropped you a link in this. I just dropped you the link in Discord for the Easter egg stream. Can you hear me?
Oh, we had a comment that okay, Valoriana, I don't think the game would be good for children.
Can you read the comment?
Yeah, the comment is that they are stoked about Switch port and ability to play with youngest daughter. But yeah, the game is more mature in the themes, and probably
yes.
you might not want to play with.
Yeah, there will be stronger language.
So you mentioned having a written script for possible animations and light novel. I understand that this universe has been a thing for a long time. Yeah, kind of. We have been developing this universe for more than 4 or 5 years already in our minds, and we have some. But the main thing is that we don't want it to be like you step into the world and everything cool has already happened into ancient past, and all you're doing is kind of following the tales of other people that lived in the past. We want it to be like a young world where everything is built upon the heroes that you play and the events that you take part on. So we have kind of a universe laid out, but we don't want to be like to have like this giant lore defining everything you can, and your actions kind of resetting each time. We want your actions to be what shapes the world, and you to take part in this kind of foundational stories of the world. Like closest to this would be this type of storytelling would be probably Warcraft, right, Dato? Like Warcraft 3 used to have that kind of where the heroes shape and change the universe. So that's kind of something
really character-driven story and lore. It's really based on the characters, and they are moving the story.
With 7 minutes left.
Sorry? 7 minutes! Oh my god, 7 minutes. It's so amazing.
You saw how my god. The real-time strategy.
Yeah, that's amazing. So great.
If you have any more questions, feel free to, and we also had several streams, and we have not streamed one of the rewards yet, community rewards. The quest design. This is we had here community rewards, and thank you so much for helping us unlock all of them. Like Easter egg, pet,
all of them actually.
Weapon. We did character a few days ago, and the quest will do like next week, sometime next week, I think. And I think the quest will be like several parts of the stream, where first we design kind of with you the concept of the quest based on location, on character, stuff like that. Then we'll try to implement the quest and show you kind of how the process works of putting the quest in engine, and later we play test it and kind of improve it, and it should be an interesting thing, because for all these other rewards we have been able to, Data has been able to draw them, and you cannot draw the quest unfortunately, so we'll have to kind of be creative about it. We have a new question.
Which one?
Another question. It must have been very exciting to see so many people believe and back the project. Yeah, definitely. It's like mind-blowing for us. I was wondering for when you'll be launching the early access beta and when you hope to launch. Okay, so we want to launch like the first kind of early access, but only for backers during April, and then kind of several months later follow up with more content, like unlock more story days. We want to kind of have ability to work for you to play the part of the game, and then understand your feedback, understand what you're looking for from this game, and to build the other parts of the story based on that. So we don't have like a whole game already built up, and then if you don't like something, it doesn't have to be stuck in that way. So and full release we are planning on the like Q1 of the next year. 4 minutes to go. Oh my god.
Oh, it was long months. Oh my god.
Yeah, the game has been in development for more than 3 years already, and this really gives us a chance to like really polish the game, get some more people involved that will free us to do more quests, more content, and more polishing on the game. And yeah, like the level of freedom and the ability to improve the game we have now compared to like the 3 years where we self-funded the game, it's like amazing. And yeah, we're very excited to get started on it and yeah, get the game rolling.
Yeah, no, it's not only about funding. It's like
yeah, it's
it's like when actually I see that what we like, people are also like into it and really understand and really excited about it. It's amazing feeling actually.
Yeah, it's mine. Really, it's changed everything for us. From from developing it in more or less in a like isolation, and then to experience all this, it's really mind blowing. And yeah, we can't thank you enough. We have a new question. With the early access beta, will be for whichever platform you choose, or will it be a separate download? The early access will first start on PC. And even if you choose console, we'll send you a temporary PC key so you're able to play. And then when the console versions are kind of ready to be beta'd, then you'll be able to transition to like that platform. But first, you even if you choose a console, you'll still be able to playtest it on PC.
Can't wait to try it on Switch. Oh my god, 2 minutes left.
Yeah, thank you, Valeriana. For your comments are really lifting us today. Thank you, it's amazing.
Oh my god, 2 minutes, man.
It's epic. Yeah, it's like surreal right now. It turned to seconds.
100 seconds, man.
Not wine, but I will join you with some beer. Cheers.
Cheers. 100 seconds.
Cheers again. E.T.
Oh my god.
Just Norway soldiers, thank you so much for this comment. Yeah, it's I think we're the ones developing, but right now with your help and with your input, like I don't believe games exist only as a developers creation. Like the gameplay happens between player and the game and the developer. It's kind of like process. So without player, it's like not as much consumed like a movie or a book or something like that. It's more even book is more So what I mean is like gameplay is very, it exists, and especially in RPGs it only exists because of player involvement, and player makes it happen, like makes all these pieces that would be dead otherwise. So we have 20 seconds to go. Oh my god, this is exciting.
Oh my
16, god. 15, 40, it's like surreal. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We cannot scream because we'll wake up neighbors, but inside we're screaming. 3, 2, 1.
We made it. Oh,
Thank you.
It's finished. Oh my god.
Thank you so much. It's amazing. Whoa.
Cheers, guys. We made it.
It's unbelievable for us right now.
It's amazing.
We made this. You made this happen. Thank you. Just yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god. Guys.
Cheers.
Thank you so much. Whoa.
Yay!
Amazing. So great. Oh my god, it was epic once. So
I can't believe it. It's like, yeah. For 30 days we have, like, our eyes have been glued on this and on your comments and yeah, all the updates, and let's make something great together. Let's
make it.
create an amazing
Let's
game,
make it, man.
Because yeah, I truly believe that like, it's amazing that now we are able to have games that are designed between players and developers, and especially in RPGs. Like, when you play RPG games, you it's kind of very advanced genre, and you have to invest a lot in it. You have to use imagination, you have to learn all the mechanics, and it kind of teaches you a lot about design of RPGs and the ability to have, like, all this input into our game and all your experience and all your feedback. Yeah, it's like, and there are examples like Divinity Original Sin would not be as cool of a game if it was not designed with community feedback, and many other games. And yeah, we're like beyond happy to be able to not just have this funding and be able to finish the game like we want, but like we want is actually to be able to work yeah, with player feedback. And thank you.
Yeah, the most important thing for us is to stay independent and create really our game, and really based on our community, because we had some proposals from the publishers, like big one publishers, and like they want to take us from our community, and like we really don't want to do it like this. We want to do really a game from our vision, and like really community based game. So yeah, it's like it's a real possibility for us to make this game really happen, and really great game.
We have a question. Do you know when we can get your hands on? Yeah, we are working on a demo, and as soon as it's ready, I don't think it will be much longer, but I don't want to say exact date, because there's a saying that last 2% are almost like a 90%. So we're kind of working through. The game is playable. We're playing the game. We're finding some issues. We want you to have good experience, and yeah, as soon as it's ready, it should be like a matter of few days at maximum, maybe 1 or 2 days, hopefully. And yeah, then we you'll be able to play, and then in April you'll be able to play like more complete and full version. If you prefer that. And yeah, wow, yeah, I still can't believe that we made it.
Amazing, guys. So yeah, let's finish this and get some sleep. Oh my god,
Yeah,
thank you so much, guys. You are amazing, just amazing. Thank you so much. And
we had an update that yeah, we're gonna make it happen, like the names of the backers update with the post that we had, so we will put the statue in the game.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Let's continue it in the Discord. And yeah, if you haven't joined our Discord is a really cool way to connect with us. And we know, like, some of you prefer to have a forum environment, so we're also looking into adding the forum for you as well, to have kind of like a personal cozy forum for us to like get together and have like more elaborate topics and stuff like that. And yeah, it's like the Kickstarter ended, but it's a beginning of a journey. And yeah, let's make an awesome game together. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. See you.